उन्होंने तो दिलवाई भी नहीं।
आधी चीजें कट कट कर
तो अभी हो रहा है
मैं
Say that. Sorry, मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ?
Concrete drains where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets.
Everyone, I'm Dr. Saizada, the chairperson for Peer Talks, and welcome back to our 4th episode. So, our guests for today are presidents from all the 4 zones. Guys, can we have a brief introduction, please?
I will start from here.
Yes.
Hi guys, I'm Rotractor Vidya Agarwal, the president for Rotrack Club of Mumbai Nova, and my club falls in Zone 2.
Okay, so hello everyone, this is Rotractor Richa, and I'm the president for RC Lalas, and my zone falls in Zone 3.
So hi everyone, I'm Rotractor Yajat Raheja, president for the Rotrack Club of Bombay Midtown, and my club falls in the Zone 1.
So hi guys, this is Rotracker Anat Shekhar and I am the president for the Rotrack Club of Bombay Pier and my club falls in Zone 4.
Okay, so guys, to begin with, how has your presidency been going so far?
Oh, it's been absolutely amazing. See, I've gotten 3 more presentations.
Apart from being amazing, it has been a roller coaster for
I said
every
that.
single month of every single quarter that we have been a president for.
I guess there have been shortcomings every day, yet we sleep with a good smile every day. That is how our presidency has been so far.
Unless there is an event tomorrow and we don't sleep.
Oh, true. Just like we all have events tomorrow.
Exactly.
What do you think truly defines a successful presidency?
Everyone might have a different definition on this, but the presidents have different vision for their own goal, right? One might think rank is important, one might think people are important, one might think the bonding that we take, the friendship that we make is more important. So if we talk about as an individual level, I felt the people who are going to continue and love the moment, because one thing that I have realized being in this moment in the last 4 years now, people who love the moment stay back. They love the club, they stay back. And I guess they get the most out of it and the best out of it from this moment. So I feel for me it was always people and events, and it was remaining the same.
For sure.
Okay, so
What about you?
what I feel that defines an excellent presidency is, like she said correctly, it depends individual to individual. For me, I started my presidency year very late. From the history of RCBMT, we start 6 months before the actual tenure starts, but I started 1 month late. So I was released in July end. So I did not have a lot of time to think and plan and ever even hope that I was going to be president. But then the only thing which I feel is that if I am motivated enough to run the club is motivated enough, that is mean I've been a good president. That is the motivation and the love for this moment. If I passed it down from what I have to my GBMs, BODs, all the new members, is something which drives the excellency to a president.
So basically, if people share your vision and love for the movement,
Yes.
fair
It
enough.
is all for the moment and nothing for the club.
True. Anything
For
else?
me, I think it would be, as they said, member experience matters a lot. Like if they are enjoying, if they are having a good time, that is very important to me, because I think 3-4 years in the movement, same as you, it's important to make the most of it. It's important to have good experiences, have fun with it, learn and grow with it. So yes.
Okay. Moving on, what's one misconception that people have about being president or about the role?
I would like to start this one.
I know where you're coming from.
We all have been in this moment for more than 4 years now. Collectively,
Yes,
तो minimum
yes.
4 years तो सबका हो ही गया. From what we have seen as GBMs, as BODs, हमको लगता था प्रेसिडेंट को कोई चिल्ला नहीं सकता.
गलत लगता था.
बहुत गलत है.
बहुत गलत लगता था.
The day I became president was within 3 minutes I got my first scolding from my IPP. Within 4 minutes I got the second scolding from my advisor. 10 minutes in, my father called me up saying कि मैं क्यों?
वो फैमिली स्कोल्डिंग तो वो तो जाने ही
Family
दो, वो
scolding
तो जाने ही दो,
daily
दैट इज
चीज़ है।
एवरीडे।
बट विद इन द क्लब मैं बोला कि यार अब प्रेसिडेंट बन गया, कोई तो कुछ बोलेगा नहीं मेरे को, एंड 3 मिनट के अंदर ही पहला गाली सुना मैंने।
My members generally think that खाना पीना सोना तो भूल ही जाना चाहिए इंसान को. Like one of my member actually came and told me, "Richa, I love food. I cannot live with that. मतलब मेरे को दिन में 4-5 बार खाना चाहिए." मैं नहीं रह सकता हूँ प्रेसिडेंशियल में, मैं कभी सोचूंगी ना, क्योंकि क्या पता मैं दिन रात बाहर हूँ, मैं खाऊँ कब, मैं घर जाऊँ कब, मैं सोऊँ कब, ऐसे okay, you can manage those things, you know, like, when will I learn to manage that? When will I become one? That's a very long journey. It's better.
You learn as you
We
go.
can just continue with the core and everything, and then you can come back to a normal GV. I was like, they feel हमारे पेरेंट्स कुछ नहीं बोलते. वहाँ पेरेंट्स are
मतलब हमारे parents नहीं बोलते,
मेरे
मतलब
पेरेंट्स
हमने
नहीं
तो
बोलते मेरे को कुछ।
Lucky one.
Lucky one.
Very lucky one.
Seriously ना majority.
मेरे को तो परसों बोले तेरा टीवाई हो गया ना, मैं बोला हाँ हो गया, तो रोट्रैक छोड़ कब रहेगा?
लास्ट 2 महीने से पूछ रहा है कि अब तो हो गया ना रोटैक, अब तो नहीं जाना होगा ना कहीं पे। मैंने बोला नहीं, बाकी है, अभी नहीं।
See.
उनको समझ में नहीं आता, एकेडमिक ईयर में बोला तो हाँ वो अप्रैल में एकेडमिक ईयर तो खत्म हो जाता है, वैकेशन कब है तुम्हारा, मतलब वैकेशन नहीं मिलता।
अभी जॉब वाले हो गए। नहीं, फॉर मी आई एम वेरी लकी इन दिस थिंग। मेरे माँ बाप नहीं बोलते मेरे को कुछ, देखो जाने जा, आने आ, घर पे खाना है खा, सोना है सो, नहीं सोना है मत सो।
This is the perspective that our members hold about the president's parents.
बिकॉज ये
But
ज्यादा
this is not
बात
the
करते
actual case.
हैं।
This is not
ये
the
बहुत खुल खुल के
हाँ,
मतलब मेरे साथ ये
बहुत
होता
खुल-
है।
हाँ, but this is not the actual case.
हाँ नहीं, बट वंस अ वीक ऐसा बैठ जाते हैं मेरे साथ, फिर सुनाते हैं पूरे हफ्ते में तूने
हाँ,
पंखा
तो
बंद
वो
कर,
हो गया।
बिना पंखा बंद किए घर से बाहर निकल गया, लाइट चालू थी, कपड़े अंदर नहीं
कभी
रखे।
फ्रिज के ऊपर आकर नोटपैड में मम्मी लिख के रखती रहेगी हर एक चीज, तूने क्या क्या नहीं किया, एंड में वो नोटपैड बढ़ता रहेगा।
हाँ, एवरी वीक एक ऐसा लेक्चर तो सुनने मिलता है, बट हाँ पूरे बाकी हफ्ते में रोकते नहीं।
By the end of your tenure, what has mattered more to you? Winning, bonding, or growing as a club? Almost to the end of your tenure.
वही है, अभी 10
हाँ।
दिन बचे
10
हैं।
दिन भी कहाँ अभी?
10 दिन कुछ नहीं बचा है।
कहाँ
कल
6 दिन नहीं बचा, 24-23 है,
23
24 से
हाँ।
7 दिन एग्जैक्ट बचे।
कुछ नहीं, खाली अभी फाइलिंग करने बैठने, शेट उतरास।
वो रुको, उस पे बात करते हैं। हरा फाइलिंग थोड़ा अभी सर पे आने वाला है। But I feel like कि it has always been about winning, but not in terms of the rank, but in the hearts of people that we actually lead. Because since the beginning मेरा तो वो था कि क्लब को ले पाऊंगा, कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा, because it's been a history हमारा थोड़ा डगमगाया हुआ पास्ट है।
सेम ईयर, सेम ईयर।
ठीक है, कभी हाई रहता है तो आधे टाइम से ज़्यादा लो ही रहता है। तो उसको पूरा हाई पे रखना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट, बट आई गेस ऑल ऑफ अस कलेक्टिवली, मेजरली हम कम्युनिटी बेस्ड वाले हैं, तो हमको तो समझ में आता है इसके आदत क्या है, दुख दर्द पीड़ा, बट आई फील लाइक कि किया तो है कुछ तो।
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
फॉर मी साल तो खत्म हो गया, द ओनली थिंग आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट इज
साले तो हैं।
एडिशनली व्हाट आई थॉट,
Additionally.
जब भी मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, आई हैड ऑलवेज इमेजिन कि हाँ भाई मेरे को क्लब का रिटेंशन बढ़ाना है। मेरा पिछले 4-5 साल में लेस देन 2%, लास्ट ईयर चलो कुछ 6-7 लोग आ गए थे तो 5-6% पे पहुंच गया था, बट हाँ दिस ईयर I have crossed that by a huge margin, and that is something I have.
That is an achievement.
I am proud of
That's
it.
a true achievement. Member retention is one of the hardest
Lovely,
things.
that's lovely. People
आई
love
थिंक ये कोई भी लीडरशिप पोजीशन को समझेगा, मेंबर रिटेंशन इज
And it is freaking difficult भाई, नहीं जमता है। सबके साथ वैसा बॉन्डिंग रखो,
Yeah.
एंड में उनको वापस बोलो नहीं साल खत्म हो गया, वापस पैसे भरने हैं तुम्हें।
ओह माय गॉड, वो अलग
एज
तरह
कम्युनिटी बेस्ड क्लब वी चार्ज अ बॉम्ब।
ओह आई
उनको कन्विंस करना कि भाई अगले साल भी
वो
करो।
मोमेंटम रखना इज थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट एट टाइम्स।
you will have to keep them
Yeah,
knitted together
yeah.
the entire year.
मतलब
एक भी
ऐसे
छूटा ना
छोड़
तो
ही
निकल जाएगा,
नहीं
सब
सकते।
निकल
एक के
जाएगा।
पीछे सब चले जाएंगे।
Exactly.
मेरे में से एक निकला तो पूरा एक पेट से जन
Exactly.
निकलने वाला है, वैसे ही है पूरा।
If you had to describe your presidency in one word, what would it be?
I cannot say that word out loud.
Yeah.
Can you beep it then I'll say it?
No, I cannot beep it, sorry.
Then sorry. If I think of a sophisticated word, I would have to say that वो एक्वा मैजिका में वो सर्कल वाला
Roller coaster.
roller- हाँ
नाइट्रो
नहीं एक्वा मैजिका में there is
Normal
one-
Magica.
हाँ, कुछ तो है वैसा ही है, कभी ऊपर जा रहा है कभी उल्टा हो जा रहा है फिर मैं नीचे हूँ. that is the cycle that has been followed throughout this year.
Same. Even I was just going to say a roller coaster because when there's been highs, there's been amazing, there's been a very good time. But when there's a low point, it's very low. And having that resilience that no, I cannot give up right now. Like I personally had so many moments where I was like, नहीं अब नहीं हो रहा है, let me just नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं मुझे नहीं करना है. But then holding on because you have to play the long game, you have to see the bigger picture, right? So it has been a journey and it's been a journey.
I'll just say it was I don't have particular one word for it because the whole year when we sit and now that it's a year end and we sit and think about it, we just realize how much pressure we took when events nahi ho rahe the. We just realize that okay, we have a pressure of leveling up this event. Okay, we have to bring so many
True.
people here. Okay, and that constant thing that we need to do better.
Yeah.
We need to do better. That somewhere as an individual and a perspective of every single president कि यार इसको और better बनाना है. And that performance pressure is something not only you have, but I understand that when a coach is very attached to the club,
Yeah.
even every single core member feels that same thing. I have seen my whole core waiting back for doing every single events, and that's where I felt कि okay, this is what I wanted. This is what I want कि रात के 3 बजे भी we are sitting together because we need to sort an event that is going to happen today morning 8 a.m. I was like, that's crazy. And you know what? We have sorted that thing very fabulously.
अस्तित्व का ही एक रात पहले की बात है.
अरे अस्तित्व, that's something I
I guess that has happened to all of us.
Yes.
कि एक ऐसा सिचुएशन है कि पूरा कोर टीम बैठा है एक मीट में कि अगले दिन सुबह 7 बजे इवेंट है, करना है,
भाई
या तो
इस-
पार्टिसिपेंट्स नहीं है या तो
या कुछ नहीं
पर
करना है.
करेंगे.
इससे
हो जाएगा.
इससे I remember राय का you remember अपना first beach cleanup था.
हाँ.
You remember the date?
हाँ नहीं आई डोंट रिमेंबर
You remember it?
It was I think installation.
7th?
में-
September.
Yeah.
Sunday.
तो
मेरा इंस्टी है.
I remember.
हम लोग ने रात भर
Oh, yes.
एंड राय को राय इज वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट.
All
मेरे
of
को वो
us.
हर साल करना ही है. सो रात भर हम जाग के खाली वीडियो एडिट किए, बाकी सब काम कुछ नहीं किया. वीडियो एडिट किए. मेरा इनकमिंग का वीडियो रेडी नहीं था, सुरभि का आउटगोइंग रेडी नहीं था, बाकी कोर रिलीज वीडियो कुछ रेडी नहीं था. वी वर जस्ट एडिटिंग वीडियोस. सुबह 6 बजे हम देख रहे हैं, अरे शिट 1 घंटे में उधर भी पहुंचना. पूरी नींद में पूरा कोर जितने मेंबर्स भी थे साथ में, एवरीवन वी वेंट टू दादर, शक्ल दिखाई, हाय 4 कचरा उठा बाय. एंड देन दैट इज आफ्टर 9 AM वी फाइनली स्लेप्ट फॉर व्हाट 30 मिनट्स. उठ के वापस वीडियो एडिटिंग खत्म नहीं. चलो
अब मैंने एक काम किया.
क्या?
लोग जब कचरा उठा रहे थे ना, मैं भी थी ना. जब वीडियो बनना बच्चा है, ये बनना बच्चा है, वो बनना भाई उठा के निकल तू क्या कर
तुम
रहा
लोग का
है?
सेम डे था ना इंस्टी?
नहीं
No, no.
नहीं
लास्ट ईयर था ना same
लास्ट
day?
ईयर सेम नहीं
Yes,
थे
yes,
यार.
yes, last year.
But even last year after Rai सब लोग इंस्टी पे गए थे, there was one insta post to that, and that club.
About
Outgoing मेरा कुछ
installations
भी.
for a second. Why?
Oh my god, let's not talk about
I don't
installation.
know what to talk about this shit. Amazing things happen. बस.
मुझे पता है मेरा पूरा कोर टीम रेडी है और मैं शॉर्ट्स और टी-शर्ट में बैठा हूँ. एंड गेस्ट आ गए केसीयूएसी के जीपीएस लगे शॉर्ट्स और टी-शर्ट में खड़ा हूँ. ये लड़का उधर बैठ के बैठा
मेरा रोटेरियन आके बैठ गया अंदर.
ऑडिटोरियम में.
सेम
मैं उधर केटरिंग वाले के साथ झगड़ा कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को सैंडविच टेस्ट करना है. रोटेरियन पीछे खड़ा है मेरे और मैं शॉर्ट्स में हूँ एज यूजुअल.
I was arguing with the people वहाँ पे because हमारे installation के टाइम ना वहाँ पे कुछ तो short circuit हो गया था, तो
हाँ,
AC was
AC
not
बनता.
working. Yeah.
AC
I don't think so we get to sit back.
Institution based club have different problems. For example, उसको स्ट्रेस था कि मैं अभी भी शॉर्ट्स में बैठा हूँ, मेरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट आ गया है. मेरे को स्ट्रेस था मेरी प्रिंसिपल आधे घंटे से आके बैठी है. And she is ready to see the caller, ऐसे कॉलर देंगे ऐसे, उसको बहुत टाइम है.
What is one thing that Rotaract has taught you that college or other academics has not been able to?
Handling frustration.
No, I'm an
That's a
engineer, so I
very
can
good answer.
say that.
नहीं, that is true for all of us.
Yeah.
It goes to
No,
everyone.
no, I'm an engineer. I cannot say that.
No, stress management, people management.
True. People management.
Balancing egos.
How
Oh.
to stay up all night.
नहीं, वो चलेगा.
You need to talk to every single individual in a very different way.
Yeah.
You cannot treat anyone.
Fair.
लोग बोलते हैं we need to be
Equal.
very equal and balanced. You cannot be biased. that's I guess.
नहीं, I am a very biased
I
president. मैं I am very upfront in that I am a very biased president. मेरे हैं थोड़े लोग, उनको मैं full छूट देता हूँ, और ये थोड़े लोग हैं इनको करो. नहीं, but one thing that I have learned in this year is resilience.
True.
Simple thing, भाई तुम कितना खड़े रह सकते हो
Yeah,
जब
how
भी
much
तुम्हारे
you can
पीठ पे
hold
100
on.
चाकू है.
Okay, so how did you balance being a president alongside college, work, professional
We
life?
didn't.
We didn't.
Actually, yeah, we couldn't. And handling college and handling work and Rotaract Club led to me having no social life. That is
मैंने
something.
इतना
First
रोड ट्रैक में सीख लिया कि लोगों को मनाते कैसे. मैंने मेरे मैनेजर को मना दिया था कि भाई थोड़ा एक पोस्टर बना के दो.
Oh damn.
I think it was very difficult because I had last year of engineering plus I was interning in an agency and agency life is like very difficult and उसके साथ year start हो रहा था and everything like that, but I think in those moments the team matters a lot, like the way they have supported. Like I think year start में सेवा महोत्सव and things were going on, very hectic for me because I was so
Occupied
all
with
over
other
the
things,
place.
yeah.
Yeah. But the team, they have supported so much, they handled it so effortlessly that it's amazing.
Filling
what
in
they've
where
done.
you can. In a conversation, what is the funniest excuse a member has ever given to you? For being
I'll be the first one. I have an amazing. You remember there was a mock drill wala session time going on during this year. Either war was a
Yeah.
Yeah.
I literally got a text saying कि अगर bomb blast वगैरह हो गया और कुछ हुआ, so it's better if I don't come. So I'm not coming. I was like, what?
Would you like to reveal this member?
I think I've
is
seen
this a member
that.
or is this a board member?
हाँ, इतना तो बता दे. कोर बोर्ड जीबी है.
Member.
GBA.
GBA. It's okay.
I literally called my mom saying, आपने पूछा था ना क्या ही बुरा हो सकता है, क्या ही हो सकता है,
ये हो गया।
ऐसे रीजन वॉर का रीजन आया मेरे को. I'm like 10 साल 16 साल की एक भी प्रेसिडेंट को वॉर का टेक्स्ट नहीं आया मेरे को आया. I should be glad about that, but that was so funny. Plus में we still joke about it.
नहीं है.
मेरे साथ बहुत हुआ है.
But उसने
फिर वो
फिर
चोरी हुआ रोड ट्रैक में.
Yeah.
दो बार.
प्लीज
एक बार तूने एक साल में 4 फोन बदले.
मैंने 3 फोन बदले.
3 फोन.
3 फोन.
मेरी.
एक फोन ना.
तूने लास्ट फोन कब खरीदा था?
2022.
तूने लास्ट फोन कब खरीदा था?
2 साल पहले.
मैंने लास्ट फोन 4 साल पहले लिया.
17 दिन पहले. ठीक है.
मेरे तो आधे लोग ऐसे हैं कि भाई 12 के बाद इवेंट रखना, हम 12 के पहले उठते नहीं.
मेरा आधा क्लब है वो.
आते भी नहीं भाई, 12 के बाद ही आते
That's
हैं.
me, not
As a
my club, that's
president.
me.
हम सुबह 6
I
बजे
need
उठ
my
के
time.
काम कर रहे हैं इवेंट के लिए. वो लोग उठेंगे आराम से 12 1.
और वही लोग को बोलो रात भर इवेंट करो, हाँ चलो.
That's
सुबह
me.
नहीं.
नाइट आउट.
So at the end of your tenure, what do you hope people remember most about your year or you as a person?
एक बता. Here you as a person.
Both combined.
नहीं हो सकता.
You
ये
as
बहुत
a,
अलग अलग है.
Yeah, so
अच्छा,
okay.
कलर का
I have
tell me about as presidency. So
Okay.
as a member, when they think about your year, what?
हाँ, year के लिए I can tell one thing.
Yes.
So year has been fun, always active, and never dead.
That's true.
Plus one.
हाँ. So that these 3 things every member this year will remember this year by. And personally speaking, मेरे को they will remember like the free का मजदूर.
Plus one. Touch wood.
नहीं, generally for all events, it is either me or one other core team member who is sorting all the logis, setting up the entire place, then also hosting the entire event. So
One man army.
हाँ, one man army जैसे ही लग रहा था. Apart from that, if it is someone else from the club, तो वो सोचेंगे यार ये हर इतना वेला कैसे है, हर जगह कैसे आ जाता है.
Always present.
Always
Because they
present.
cook the picture.
हाँ, that is something they will remember me by.
I would like to just say plus one to you.
Same.
Same.
The way they were relating for everything, but take care. For me, it will
You will
be-
not understand.
अरे
Once you join BMT, you will understand that.
For me, it will be the fun before before the event actually took place and after we are done with the event. Those things are something we'll
Great
remember.
host.
And how we actually got that event sorted. It's something we'll remember forever. I can literally tell this thing कि मेरा कोच जब भी next year as an alumni आएगा ना क्लब में, and when they sit for those mega initiative ना, they'll sit and talk कि हमने ये ऐसे sort किया था, ऐसे किया था. It's that thing, and one thing they remember me for is, let's say कल event है, and we have started working for that event 2 months back, and this is something which has happened throughout the year. मेरे को event के पहले रात को ही होनी होती है, and event properly set, highlight of the event के पहले रात को ही होगी.
नहीं,
It doesn't matter if it's 3 months,
remembered
2
by is
months.
कि उसके पास कभी आउटफिट नहीं रहता है.
Yes, definitely. मेरा पूरा core outfit sort करके बैठा है. मेरे installation में मेरा क्या
इसके
बोलते हैं?
installation
My
के लिए उसका
members-
outfit नहीं आता.
My members sorted their outfit. उन लोगों ने मेरे से WhatsApp approval मांगा. अरे can we get this done? My core team is texting me कि अच्छा members का text आ रहा है. ऐसे बोलो जो करने करो. अच्छा by the way तेरा sort हुआ है क्या? ऐसे नहीं.
इंस्टी के 2 दिन बाद इसका डिलीवरी आया था आउटफिट.
हाँ. And for that entire reason, कल इंस्टी है तो मेरे को आज रात को शॉपिंग करने निकलना पड़ा था. But yes, the outfit got sorted, and then the outfit got sorted so well कि मेरे को congratulations के साथ साथ outfit के text ज़्यादा आए थे. So
Perfect. Works out very well. Works out
मैंने
very
खुद
well.
try डाला था कि your outfit is good.
It works out from my outfit to even everything. But yeah, so मेरे कोर को ना after first quarter पता चल गया था कि रिचा का यार है, वो sort होने ही वाला है, होगा ही होगा. But we just need to do one thing, we cannot give up. We'll be there. So they are doing good.
So keep going. What has been the most proudest moment of your tenure?
When so basically we have this initiative named as World Population Day, and I hope you guys know Astitva. So we actually changed the whole concept for WPD this year, and somewhere we were very uncertain. Alala starts their year with a very big mega initiative that is WPD on 11th of July. So it's like 10 days year start हुआ है and mega initiative. So getting this thing कि पूरा concept change हुआ है. Past presidents are coming and saying क्या you have changed it and everything. And then when we realized we actually pulled it off. And that's where it came to my mind कि इसके बाद ना we can do everything and anything.
सब हो जाएगा.
सब हो
कोई question नहीं करेगा अभी
जाएगा.
हमें.
And that's where it hit me during my Astitva. It started from there, but it hit me during my Astitva during this December. We were done with Astitva. 2 months, sleepless nights, pressure, झगड़े, बिन फालतू के झगड़े, बिन फालतू के opinions, and I'll say lot of things like कि सुनना चाहिए नहीं सुनना चाहिए. People coming and saying, okay, you cannot do this, and we still doing it. I guess we did it better. And that's where after we were done with the main day and my whole board of directors, general body members, my core, we were standing outside our auditorium and they were all standing just to listen कि अभी मैं बोलने क्या वाली हूँ. Even without realizing that कि मैंने बुलाया किसी को मैंने नहीं बुलाया था. They were just standing there कि अभी ये क्या बोलेगी. We want to hear. 2 महीने इतना कर लिया अभी. And that's where I said कि guys, I'm proud of every single individual, every single thing, every single जो गलत किया even I'm proud of those things because those mistakes were something that we just okay ये गलती हुआ we'll sort it out. And that's when I realized that my members started crying with this one line that I'm proud of you guys. My members, my board of directors were crying. I said okay we did it the way we wanted to, and I was like okay. Great. So that was one thing I remember.
Let's go.
I think for me it would be like as I said, seeing the members grow. I have a lot of first year road tractors, a lot of 18, 19-year-old kids who have never been in social situations before. And like during my OCV, like I saw them speaking to so many people in front of so many people. And my first OCV, I was very nervous, like I could barely speak. So seeing that growth in them, that okay, now they know how to carry a crowd, they know how to bring the attention to them and hold importance in the room. I think that was a very proud moment for me. For seeing those kids, it's
Sounds
very
nice. Very special episode.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you for inviting us. It was a pleasure that we.
Yes, thank you for calling us and letting us know that
Multiple
please
times.
come.
Hi guys.
So we're the chairpersons of Peer Talks, Dr. Ishita, Sai and Leonard.
We finally come to an end.
Of our podcast series that we have been carrying out since the first quarter. Stay tuned for all the episodes even in the next year. We will be talking to the next year's team. We hope they carry it forward. Thank you. That is a sign off from the three of us. And let's go.